In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off finance notifications in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you're getting too many alerts and updates on your homepage, this is the fastest way to clean things up and make Edge feel a lot less distracting. This is a quick fix, but it can make a big difference if you want a more focused browsing experience. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. On the page, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is the page settings icon, and it gives you control over what appears on your Edge home screen. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the menu opens, look for the notification settings section. Under that area, you should see a manage option. Click manage to open the notification controls. This is where Edge lets you decide which alerts you want to keep and which ones you want to turn off. Now, inside the notification settings, look for the option that says Get all finance notifications. You should see a toggle next to it. If it's turned on, click the toggle to switch it off. As soon as you do that, finance notifications will be disabled and you should stop seeing those updates on your Edge homepage. That's really all there is to it. By using the page settings icon, managing the notification settings, and turning off finance notifications, you can quickly customize Microsoft Edge to better fit your preferences. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.